My name is Emmanuel Agiam. I am founder and chief executive officer for Optimus Education Foundation Cameroon OPEF. OPEF's main objective is to improve the quality of education and training for everyone through cost-effective technologies to help everyone develop skills to cope with problems of living and working. I have a very important message for all learners and education managers of primary, secondary, and tertiary, and by that I mean post-secondary education. If you are passionate about excellence and innovation in education, then a must-have educational tool for your pupils, your students, your child, your school, or your university is the OPEF Learning Platform or the OPEF Learning App. I would just like to show you how the OPEF Learning App works and some kind of take you through a user guide. So I've got my phone right here with me and I am just going to go and download the OPEF Learning App. So I'm on Google Play, as you can see, and I will search the OPEF Learning. As you can see, all one word. If I put it and Google Play search, and it comes right up there. You can see the very first one up there, OPEF Learning Optimus Education Foundation. And on that page right now, as you can see, I'm going to install the OPEF Learning app. There we are, just waiting for it to download, and it should start installing in a moment. It is installing right now. Just to let you know as well, if you're using an iPhone, you would require the iOS version. So my download is complete and I'll open the app. As you can see, it's loading. When you download the app, you should arrive to a screen like this one. Now I'm gonna log in. And I log in, and then you'll come to the OPEF virtual learning platform. And at this stage, I can go to my courses, I can go to dashboard or go my courses. I'm going to go dashboard. Any one of those will take you to the same place. So I've got the dashboard there, and I want a GC 2021 taster. I want the O level one. So if I click on that, that's the course I want. And I've got, it's asking me to, showing me some quizzes there to do, and I want to do that cell biology quiz A, cell biology. I'm gonna go for that. Click on that, and there we are. So I'll start the quiz all over again. So I'm just reading through that, and I'll try and find the right answer. I'll just go for A there. Doesn't matter whether or not I get it right, but you can see once you put the right answer there, it highlights it, and I go question 2. So if I want to change my mind, so I'll go clear my choice. You can see there, clear my choice. It's clear, and then I go and pick the answer that I want. So that's the one I still want. That one, made up my mind. That's going to be A. Question 2. If I look at that, I'll just go for D. You know, I'm not a biologist. I'm just trying to show you how it works. And this one, I don't know what to go for. Probably just go for C there. What two structures are found in the plant epidermal cells? Trying to see what two structures found. The cell wall and chloroplast, cell wall and nucleus. I don't know, I'll just pick that one. Not in which organelles are found in both animal and plant cell. Again, cell membrane, nucleus. I'll pick that one. I don't know, maybe it's right. I read that in a practical lesson, a student makes the following observation about some organisms. They are spherical, unicellular organisms which are visible with the light microscope. Diameter is 0.01 millimeter. Cytoplasm is present after staining. A nucleus can be seen. A vacuole is present. What is being described? Do I know what is being described here? I'm not entirely sure. Vacuole, is it a plant? Is it a virus? Is it a bacterium? Is it fungus? I don't know. I'm just gonna go vacuole plant. Not sure about that, but anyway, there we go. Not the diagram shows a plant cell. I'm not a biologist. That's my reason. I'm just showing how it works. It's a possible answer here. Is it a nucleus? Is it a cell wall? I'll take that. I don't know. And question 8. So that the diagram shows a plant cell. The cell is stained with iodine solution. After staining the iodine solution, what are the colors of the cell wall? You know, blue, black, starch grain is orange, brown. Cell wall is orange, brown, starch grain is blue, black. I'll just go for that one. Again, just how it works. The diagram shows the cross section. I'll just go for xylem there. Which diagram shows the position of the chloroplast and the nucleus in the cell. Probably C. I don't know. Are found in plant cells, but not in animal cells. What? Cell membrane and nucleus, probably. That one. Plant cells can produce glucose. Suggests why yeast cells cannot produce glucose. Yeast cells do not contain ribosomes. Yeast cells do not contain mitochondria. Yeast cells do not contain chloroplast. I just picked that one. A plant is grown in bright sunlight. The diagram shows what is seen when a cell from this leaf is placed under a microphone. Let's have a look. No, I want to clear my choice. Not that one. I'm going to go C. Okay. We could just go a bit quicker now, just so you see how it works. Just go 2 and 4. So cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, cell membrane, cell wall, cell membrane. Probably just go for that one. And number 18, probably I just go with that. And this, what's this one gonna be? Just go B. And number 20 and 21. I'm just answering the questions. Got last but one now. That one. Go next. As you can see, so I've done all the questions. I answered all the questions. I'll just go through there, and you see it all says answer saved. You can see there. Return to attempt if I'm not sure, or I'm sure about what I've done. My choice is pretty much clear. I'm certain. I'm confident. So I'm gonna hit the submit all and finish button there. As you can see, submit all and finish, and then it prompts me, once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. Yes, I'll click OK, and now it's gonna give me a score. So as you can see, I've got 14 out of 25, so that gives me 56%. Given that I'm not a biologist, I'm probably not, your journey's already halfway. Climb higher next time. So we've got to do that. And now there's an opportunity to review. So if I go all the way question by question, so it tells me, oh, my question one was the right answer. The right answer was there. You can see the green ticks, correct. And then there is a review there. There's like a feedback in the yellow box telling me your answer is correct. But then these are structural differences between a yeast cell and a bacteria cell. So yeast cell, some of it contains nucleus, does not have flagellum, does not have a plasmid, whilst the bacteria cell has chromosomal DNA, has capsule. So you can see there's a bit of a learning point there. So that's the beauty. So you can review all of these questions. So you see the review, every question has, and it tells you exactly why it was wrong. So you go like that one, the answer is wrong. Your correct answer is fungus there. It's correct answer. So yeah, so that's the review, and that's about it. The one important thing that I like to show you, because remember that you're actually using your data right now. So whilst if you go back to your home page, so if you go back to your home, that little house there is always the home page. If you click on that, it should take you back to your home page. That in a nutshell is the OPEFLearning app. You learn anywhere, anytime. You can use the app with or without data. You learn, you revise, you're in the driving seat, you determine what grade you get. Your choice, whatever you do, you can take it anywhere with you and revise anywhere, anytime. Thank you. The OPEFLearning app can be deployed in a school on a device like this. This is an Android Lenovo 10-inch tablet. So you can see here it's got a Play Store, and if I go to that Play Store and I search for OPEFLearning, there, as you can see, it's there, and then it's already installed. If I click open, you see it's loading up to log in. So there's the login page. Now it can hold a battery charge for about 10 hours. If you've got these in your school, then you can download the app, and once you download the app, download the courses, then you can turn off the data and students could work pretty much without data. In a classroom of 30 pupils, if you've got 15 of these, then 30 they can work in pairs. In a classroom of 50 students, you've got 25 of these, they can work in pairs. So students are not allowed to take mobile phones to school. They can use a device like this.